makeup and slats, just start doing makeup. Actually, like we just starting doing that the bag, start to show off that makeup.
Oh.
How do you want to do this makeup to watching? Just keep watching. Bye.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a first impressions video on this Tula skincare kit that I got. I've been hearing some good things about this brand, so I was at Ulta the other day and I decided to try it. This is their Discovery Kit. So you get the purifying cleanser, a toner, a face serum, and a hydrating day and night cream. So let's go ahead and try it. I did actually use this yesterday, so this is technically the second time I'm using it, but it comes in this cute little case, which is kind of nice. It's waterproof, so you could use it for travel or whatever. I just kept this to show you guys, and all the ingredients and stuff are on the back here. So the first thing I'm going to use is this purifying facial cleanser. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet my face a little bit. And then so it kind of feels almost like the consistency like it has silicone in it, but I checked the ingredients and there's no silicone in it, but it does have yogurt extract in it, so I think that's what's giving it that consistency, but it does feel really good. There's no color to it or anything, it's just clear. I have very, very sensitive skin, and this doesn't
Mommy, do you
burn.
need this now?
Not yet, babe, but you can hand it to me next. It doesn't burn or anything. It feels really good. It feels smooth, and my face felt really clean afterwards. And I didn't have any breakouts or anything from it after using it yesterday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse, and then with this towel. So it does a really good job of cleaning. Like, I didn't use a makeup wipe before. I probably should have done that first, but I didn't. And you can see it got my eyeliner and everything off pretty well. I am gonna grab a makeup wipe just to go over, just to show you like what comes off of it, to show you like how well it does take it off just by itself. So I did have a little bit, but not, I
I'm
mean,
holding this one.
considering I didn't wipe it off at all. It's just mascara, I think, like no foundation or anything. All of that came off. I mean, I did wash my face last night, but minimal residue on the makeup wipe.
Maybe I'll stand over here.
Okay, so next, oh, okay, you can stand over here, is I'm gonna use the toner. So you're supposed to put this on a cotton pad, but I need to buy more, so I'm just gonna put it on my hands just for the purpose of this video, but really you're supposed to squeeze some onto a cotton pad and then just glide it over your entire face. You can do this day and night. So I'm just gonna do like a tiny little bit. It is clear as well. And this is alcohol free, which is really nice because it doesn't dry your skin out, because I already have dry skin, so I don't need anything that's gonna dry my skin out even more. It's right here with me, as you can see. Hi.
Hi.
So it doesn't burn or anything, even like
No.
if you have like an open pimple or something like that, breakout, it doesn't burn at all. Like, there's Next is the illuminating face serum. So I became obsessed with face serums when I got sent this one by Ole Hendrickson's in my influencer box. Okay, we're back from that little potty break, but so so next I'm going to be using this serum, and it says that it's a lightweight serum that expertly targets dark spots, dull skin, revealing a youthful glow and brightened complexion. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It doesn't look like it almost looks like lotion. Other serums that I've used, they kind of look like an oil, and this doesn't look like that. So it feels really, really smooth. It does feel very, very hydrating. Put some under my eyes for dark circles. It doesn't really smell like anything. It just kind of smells like lotion, but it feels really good. And it kind of feels like when you spray those like Evian like water spritzers things over your face, like kind of just like a glass of water. So it feels really nice.
Put it back in there.
Okay, and then lastly is the hydrating day and night cream. So obviously you can use this day and night. Okay, it says delivers deep hydration and antioxidant protection for supple, youthful skin. Apply daily, morning, and night. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm just going to use like that much. That might even be too much. And I just kind of like to, and I do like to put it on my neck too. Because, I mean, nobody wants. It's the first signs of aging, they say, right? Is the saggy neck. I kind of like just to tap it into my skin like that. And then I just like to let it soak in a little bit, and then, so I'm just gonna let this soak in for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to apply my makeup so you can see how it applies over my makeup. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and then we will be back.
We just use this makeup. So.
What are we doing today? Okay, so I just quickly applied my makeup over it, and you can see it went over my makeup really well. So I would definitely, just by like my first few days of using it, definitely recommend it. This is what it looks like. So these products are not the cheapest thing to buy. So I want to say the hydrating cream itself is like $50, but you can pick up this whole thing with all 4 products to try it for $50. So I would definitely recommend doing that if you want to try it, just to see if you like it or not. But I think if you have sensitive skin, it will be good for you. If you have dry skin, it will be good for you. If you have oily skin, it will be good for you. I'm really loving it so far. I love how there's no, so it says on here, 100% free of parabens, mineral oil, sodium, I'm gonna butcher it, lauryl sulfates. So I mean, I like I said, I have really sensitive skin, so if there's a lot of alcohol or a lot of chemicals in it, it does burn my skin, and then it will break me out later, so I have to be careful with the products that I use. Also, I think that it's definitely worth it. I would definitely recommend, if you're gonna splurge on something, for it to be skincare, because it's definitely very important to take care of your skin, especially while you're young. If I had to pick splurging over a skincare product or a makeup product, I definitely think I would pick skincare. So just kind of keep that in mind, and I will keep you guys updated as I use it some more and let you know how I like it. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you would like to see some more makeup tutorials by Miss Molly, comment down below and let us know what you would like to see. Would you like to give them some more makeup tutorials?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.